Hi, I'm Hemingway. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody who got involved in the first project, the Everlasting Mechanical Pencil project. That was a great success and did far better than any of us anticipated. The original pencils are still available from our website HEMIWEAR.com, and every one you order is handmade by myself before it's sent out to you. Now, what we're doing here is a follow-up project to that, so we're releasing a titanium version. This is a titanium version. It's a great material. It looks and feels great. It's well balanced. It's slightly lighter than, well, it's a lot lighter than the steel, but a lot stronger than the stainless steel version. I hope you get involved. We need as many backers as possible to move on to our next project, which will be coming to you soon. Anyway, here's a little catch-up of the story so far, looking back at the project, and this is where we're carrying on from. Thanks. You little shit. Thanks for watching. Please get involved if you'd like to buy one of these pencils. And if you can't, then please press the share button and share it on social media, Facebook. Just we need everybody to know about this. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Hemingway. Welcome to my Everlasting Mechanical Pencil project. The disposable culture we live in today encourages a valueless attitude towards cheap material things. It is these cheap products that really cause a lot of the world's pollution. Because of their large-scale production, they cost next to nothing. This not only makes them attractive to buy to the masses, but also produces a disposable and valueless mindset towards them, and so many are thrown away without consideration for their real value or the cost of the environment. The idea was simple, the brief was simple. Simple, honest design, precision engineered in high quality metals that would hopefully last a lifetime.